Kiambu-based politician Gladys Chania, alias Chania, will remain in police custody for 7 more days as detectives probe her alleged involvement in the murder of her husband, George Mwangi. Chania was arraigned alongside Maurice Mbugua, a casual laborer who was recently employed at the couple's matrimonial home in Mangu, the alleged scene of crime. Kiambu resident magistrate Wilson Rading granting the prosecution's request for Chania and Mbugua to be detained further while police attempt to trace the whereabouts of a long-time casual laborer at the couple's home, identified as John, who is still missing.
It is said to be a complex matter and investigators need more time.
The investigation officer Peter Kamau also informed the court that detectives are yet to conduct a forensic analysis of the blood stains found on the walls of the deceased house.
The first respondent reported a missing person, and that missing person was found murdered. And that is why the court should take this seriously.
But they can't be allowed to detain accused persons at their pressure.
The body of Mwangi, who worked as a contractor in Rwanda, was found in Kieni Forest last Wednesday, a few hours before he was supposed to fly to Kigali. The body was wrapped in a polythene bag and buried beneath a pile of cartons. Detective arrested Chania on Friday after learning that Chania may have executed the murder with accomplices when she learned of her husband's alleged love affair with a secretary at a local school. The couple had been married for 20 years with 3 children. According to court orders, Chania will be held at Gigiri police station, while Mbugua will be detained at Muthaiga police station, with the duo expected back in court on October 24th for further directions. Still in the corridors of justice, the suspect implicated in the fatal shooting of Ida Odinga's bodyguard has been detained for 14 days. Collins Okundi, who was arraigned before a Kisumu magistrate court, did not take plea. This is after the prosecution in the case asked for more time to complete investigations and record statements from a witness who was at the scene of crime. While appearing before senior resident magistrate Stella Telewa, the prosecutor John Oimbo, who was handling the matter, said the suspect was arrested in Eldoret on Sunday after being at large for 3 days. The suspect, however, did not enter any objection to the application to have him detained for 14 days. He told the court that he was unwell and had a problem with his teeth and right wrist and asked the court to allow him to be taken to hospital for treatment. The court granted him his wish to be taken for a medical checkup. He is expected back in court on October 31st for mention of his case. On Friday last week, Barack Oduor, the bodyguard of Ida, was shot dead at Victoria Gardens Estate, Riat area within Kisumu County. The deceased was reportedly in the company of a woman and his friend and had escorted them. John Makuba, K24 TV.